My name's Danny Corbin. I've been here for 52 years. I'm the shop supervisor, manual machinist. I like it for the fact that you come in, you never know what you're going to have. There's going to be something different every day.
My name is Wesley Butler. I'm a manual machinist and a welder here at Horner. I work on cars as a hobby for fun, and then I get to come in here and use my skills on all different kinds of stuff every day.
Hi, my name is Mark. I work in the back room. I'm a cleaner. The guys I work with, they're great. Front office people, they're real helpful and nice. Plan on retiring from this place.
The thing I love about Horner the most is the care and commitment that they make to their employees. The investment they make in me through benefits, vacation time, personal time, and then in my future through 401k and the 100% match. To me, that's very valuable.
My name is Daryl Begay. I work with Horner for 19 years this July, and I work at the Horner warehouse, and I like the flexibility here because there's no micromanaging, and I like the people I work with, and they give you the flexibility if you need time off or not.
You know, when I first got into this business about 7 years ago, I didn't know that any of this stuff existed. You know, I look around and I see these machines. I had no idea that they were even around, let alone how critical they are to the lifestyle that we live. It's really been a blessing for me to be a part of something that's so necessary for us to live the lifestyle that we live, and I appreciate that every day.